What's up guys, welcome to the next video in the WordPress Site Customization Simplified course. In this video I'll be going over how to buy web hosting. So the main sources for web hosting could be any web host online, but the two ones that I personally have had experience with is HostGator and HostWinds. I personally like HostGator the most. I've been using them since 2009, 2010 for over 6-7 years. They're amazing. I love their customer support. I haven't really had any issues with them, and downtime, there's only been like a handful of times over the past 6 years where they've had downtime where their service went down. They're very good. HostWinds is another one. I personally haven't used them, but I know a lot of people who have. A lot of my friends have used HostWinds and they have good things to say, so that's another good source. Of course, there are literally millions and millions of web hosts you can use, but these two are the most common, or the ones I'll be covering in this training course, especially HostGator. But you can use any host you want, and if you want to use a different host, the methods of registering and buying will be very similar, because almost every host, like around 95%, runs on the same platform, CMS platform called WHCMS. It's a web host CMS, and almost all web hosts will run on that platform because it's the most common. It's like WordPress for web hosting, kinda. So the process will be very similar, and there'll be definitely be a lot of parallels in every hosting company that you use. So the first one I want to show you is HostWinds, just to give you a quick overview, and then I want to go through HostGator because that personally is my favorite. So head on over to your web browser and go to hostwinds.com. And you can click on hosting, and then shared business reseller white label. So shared is okay for beginners. Tell them to shut up. Alright, shared is okay for beginners, but I personally recommend that you do business. Business is the best. Business or reseller, one of these two. I personally, if you're on a budget, if you go with business, but I personally would go with reseller, because you can have multiple cPanels, and that comes in handy, as I'll explain in the later videos. So basic 10 cPanel, disk space, bandwidth 2575. Personally, this one's fine. 10 cPanel accounts, get hosted, and here you'd already own a domain name because of what you did previously in the other video where you registered a domain name. You would go ahead and enter that here. And you don't need any extra IP addresses as of now. Don't need this, don't need this. So it's $25 a month. It's kind of expensive, but this is reseller hosting. Another option, the perfectly okay option, is the business web hosting. But as you can see, it only has one domain, 4 domains. You want to get a hosting with unlimited domains, so I'd actually go with this one. This one has infinite domains, so you can have as many domains as you want on this one account, but you only have one cPanel. If you don't understand its technical terms, don't worry, I'll definitely go over them in a later video. It's just that stuff is beyond the scope of this specific video right now. So for $10 a month, you can host unlimited domains on HostWinds. So again, you would go ahead and go enter your domain name .com. You don't need any of this stuff. This one is billed annually, unfortunately. So it's $120 annually. I don't think you can pay monthly with HostWinds. And HostGator is my favorite web host. My personal, I've been using them forever, as long as I can remember. So just click on web hosting, choose a plan, Hatchling, baby, business. This Hatchling is $486 a month, but it's only a single domain. The baby is $696 a month, unlimited domains. This is the one I've had for a while. It's $690. Another catch here, $696 only if you do 3 years in advance. If you do it month by month, it's $956 a month, which is not bad. And you don't have to pay an entire year in advance with this. You can pay month by month, which is perfectly fine. And you want to click on I already own this domain, and then whatever domain you registered through Namecheap or GoDaddy in the past. Added. And that's it. This is all Self-explanatory: credit card, PayPal, name, email. You don't need any of this stuff really. You don't need this. You don't need this. They already entered the coupon code in for you, so it's $9.56 a month. So that's it. These are 2 web hosts you can use. I quickly went over how to register, how to buy on web hosting. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to set up web hosting, name servers, and domain registrars. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.